Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're showcasing some incredible and useful tools that can make your daily tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. Whether you're into DIY projects, home repairs, woodworking, or outdoor work, these tools are game changers. We'll be featuring multifunctional gadgets, high-tech power tools, and innovative problem-solving gear that you won't miss. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below.
Number 5. To NatureX. Introducing NatureX, the multifunctional controller and gateway that is revolutionizing desk organization and smart home management. With its versatile capabilities and sleek design, NatureX is more than just a desk accessory. It's your health-caring assistant, environment indicator, and smart device companion all in one. At its core, NatureX is a super gateway, seamlessly connecting with various smart home devices through multiple protocols including COS, Zigbee, and Wi-Fi. Whether you want to control your curtains, adjust light settings, set room temperature, or play music, NatureX offers precise control with just a turn of its knob or a press of its buttons. But NatureX isn't just about functionality, it's also about enhancing your workspace environment. With its 1.39-inch-old knob screen and 16 million color illusion light effect. Number 4. Ears Smart Home Monitor. Introducing Ears, the smart home monitor that gives you peace of mind by alerting you to important sounds you might otherwise miss. Whether you're away, asleep, or occupied, Ears is always listening, ensuring you never miss a crucial moment. Intelligent sound detection, Ears listens for sounds you designate as important, such as breaking glass, crying babies, or door knocks, and alerts you instantly via the Ears app on your smartphone, tablet, or watch. Featured innovation, as seen on advancements with Ted Danson, Ears is recognized for its AI and product innovation. This state-of-the-art technology is dedicated to enhancing our lives and keeping us informed. Featured on Bloomberg TV and now streaming on Amazon Prime Video, comprehensive sound recognition. From common household sounds like doorbells and kitchen timers to nursery noises, and even pet-related events like cat flaps, Ears covers a wide range of scenarios to ensure your home is always monitored. Simple setup and use. Setting up Ears is a breeze. Just place the devices where you want to monitor, select the sounds you want to detect via the Ears app available on iOS and Android, and receive instant alerts wherever you are. Expandable coverage. Connect multiple Ears smart home monitors to cover different areas of your home. Customize each device to monitor specific sound scenes, ensuring comprehensive coverage tailored to your needs. Intuitive app features. The Ears mobile app offers easy device setup and customization options. Choose from an extensive sound catalog and receive alerts for new sounds as they're added, all without any additional cost. Ears is your intelligent home companion, ensuring you never miss a sound that matters. Number 3. Yenko Smart Teapot. Calling all tea enthusiasts. The Yenko Smart Teapot is here to revolutionize your tea drinking experience with its innovative technology and elegant design. Say goodbye to mediocre brews and hello to a personalized tea journey tailored to your mood and preferences. Designed by the talented Hiroaki Nishimura, the Yenko Smart Teapot combines functionality with beauty. Crafted from high-quality ABS and glass materials, it exudes sophistication while ensuring durability and safety. But what truly sets the Yenko Smart Teapot apart is its advanced features that cater to your every tea need. No longer will you have to guess the brewing time and temperature. This intelligent teapot does it all for you. Whether you're craving a soothing cup of chamomile or an energizing green tea, simply select the tea type, and the Yenko Smart Teapot will adjust the brewing settings accordingly. What's more, this teapot goes beyond conventional brewing methods. It takes into account not only the type of tea, but also your mood and environment. Whether you're feeling stressed and in need of relaxation or full of energy and ready to tackle the day, the Yanko Smart Teapot ensures the perfect brew to match your mood. Adding to its charm is the unique golden drop rotating infuser, which not only enhances the brewing process, but also serves as a beautiful centerpiece for your tea set. Number 2. Yeelight Cube Smart Table Ambient Lamp. Enhance your home ambience with the Yeelight Cube Smart Table Ambient Lamp, a revolutionary lighting solution that combines vibrant colors, pixel-level control, and sleek design to create a truly immersive experience. Perfect for bedrooms, this modern ambient lamp offers limitless possibilities for customization and mood setting. The Yeelight Cube Smart Table Ambient Lamp brings your lighting vision to life with its vibrant palette of 16 million colors. Whether you're looking to create a serene atmosphere for relaxation or a dynamic setting for a lively celebration, this lamp has the versatility to match any mood or occasion. Experience unparalleled control with pixel-level control, allowing you to fine-tune each individual bead to create personalized lighting effects that reflect your unique style and preferences. Illuminate your space with dynamic lighting patterns and effects, transforming your environment with a touch of creativity. Adaptive brightness technology ensures that your lighting always suits the scene, whether you prefer a soft, warm glow for intimate evenings or a bright, vibrant ambience for social gatherings. With customizable brightness levels, this smart lamp effortlessly adapts to your changing lighting needs. Designed with both style and functionality in mind, the Yeelight Cube features a sleek and modular design that serves as a statement piece for your decor. Number 1. Sobro Coffee Table with Built-in Fridge. Elevate your living room experience with the Sobro Coffee Table, a multifunctional marvel that combines modern design with innovative features. Designed to be the perfect party accessory and a convenient charging station, this sleek black coffee table offers much more than meets the eye. The Sobro Coffee Table is the ultimate party companion, featuring dual Bluetooth speakers that deliver enhanced sound and bass, creating the perfect ambience for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a quiet night in or a lively gathering, the LED-lighted underside sets the mood effortlessly with easy control right from the tabletop, no app download required. But the Sobro Coffee Table isn't just about entertainment, it's also a practical charging station. With USB charging ports and outlets conveniently integrated, you can charge your tablet, cell phone, laptop, or any accessory with ease. When you're done, the cords roll up neatly out of sight in the storage drawers, maintaining a clutter-free environment. What truly sets the Sobro Coffee Table apart is its built-in fridge, cooler, and storage capabilities.